our plans. Some of them are not working right now, but I want to pay your attention to this starter ridotto plan. So the minimum investment amount on this plan is only $8, and you can try it for 12 days, earning 3% guaranteed profit. Is this a risk? Risking 10 or 50 bucks? It's like a dinner in a restaurant, not even every restaurant. So please don't tell me about the risk. We are the ones risking, not you. But we are also not taking the risks because of the intuition systems. I explained on the previous Zoom how we manage the risks, how and how much we lose in the casinos to win after. So I will not focus on these ones. Let me get back to the casino. And we also received messages of people telling us that it's a luck, that our wins might be just a pure randomness. So I'll show you what is randomness. Let's pick up some random slot game. Let's actually open all of them. Let's click all, because the casinos have lots and lots of games. You can see every casino has lots of games. And this is also something I want to get back to a bit later. But let's, I don't know, click this one. You see, I did not open a intuition bot. A intuition bot is not connected right now. What is it? Is it working? So my point here is I play without a intuition bot, and we see if I'm going to win. Now it's the pure luck. Okay, I think there is some problem. Let me change. This game has some kind of issue. Okay, let's open the other one. Let's open this one. Just a random game. You see the games, they all have similar interface, because the game developer is Pragmatic Play, and I will talk about this later as well. Let's make a bet, $5, and let's make some spins. Let's see. So our starting balance was $10,000. And I'm planning to make some money today. Let's make some spins. Let's see. For those of you who don't know how intuition works with the slot machines, it analyzes the casino, like the whole casino, and explores the hot slot games, as I call them. The games which are currently full with money and are ready to give it back. If there are dozens of games in the casino, only few, 1, 2, or 3 of them are actually profitable at the moment, and it's constantly changing. For example, right now, one game is profitable, the next hour or the next 20 minutes or 5 minutes, the other game can be profitable. It changes. So let's see. Okay, I already lost 30 bucks. That's some kind of win. 10 bucks. Let's spin it. I see if I can, if I lose 50 bucks, I'm out of this game. Okay. See, no result. Okay, let's open another random game. See, I am playing without it. Enter the same casino, and you see how many games are here. And you can play each of them. Which one is currently giving money? How do I know? How do you know? No one knows. It's in the script of the casino itself. Captain Shark, what is this? Looks interesting. We turn off the sun. Well, I'm betting $100 right now. Let's change it. Let's change it to 20. Only bet $100. If I get lucky. I actually did get lucky. So you see, you can get lucky in the machine. That's nice. 6 times the value of my bet. Let's check another one. Okay. This machine is actually paying. Maybe I found one myself. That's nice. Grab the money. Another way. This one is actually paying nice. But the bet is also $100. I am risking $100 on every spin. Okay, this is how you normally play slot machines. Sometimes you get lucky, you win. Sometimes you get unlucky, you lose. But with A intuition, you are always lucky. Always, because our artificial intelligence makes the calculations for you. It suggests the right machine at the right time. Not much, but I'm in the black. Okay, enough of this. I hope you got my point. You can play the slots yourself, and you can sometimes win, sometimes you can lose. So how do we know which games to play and at which casinos? Because as I told you before, we cannot just play any random casino. Open the casino, connect the intuition, and start playing. It's a process, and it's a process that begins with us purchasing the game software. We purchase the actual slot technology that allows us to decrypt it and see how it works. You see, all those games, let me just show all once again, all those games that this casino has, it doesn't have a set of programmers itself which are managing all these games. There are companies that develop games for casinos, and it is a huge, huge industry. I know companies that make games which even participated in IPO, and now they are trading on a stock market. Also, games here. There are many providers popular worldwide, like Pragmatic, Playtech, Games World, and others. So there are conferences in the world, and let me show you, like Sigma World, uniting gaming and innovation worldwide. This is basically the place where casino owners, casino developers, and marketers from all over the world come to one place, and everyone has its purpose. The developers are there to sell their technology, sell their games that they developed to casino owners. Casino owners are there to purchase the games, and the marketers are there to promote themselves for promoting casinos. So this is a huge event, multi-day event, over 1,200 exhibitions and 80,000 industry delegates were there. So we also participate in these events. And the last one that we participated was in Rome this November, Rome, Italy. And on these events, we talk to developers and we buy the technology. We buy these games that you see on the casinos, and we decrypt them to see how they actually work. Also, we meet a casino owners there, so we know which casinos implement all of this together. We can play in these casinos. So, for example, Playtech. We purchased 5 games of Playtech, and they are basically all technically similar. It's a different interface, different games, but technically they are more or less the same. Our programmers decrypt them, they see how they actually work, how the security works, and we teach our intuition artificial intelligence based on this data. Then, as we also meet the casino owners, we have a list of casinos on which the games are played. When we get to the casinos, we connect our intuition, we start testing, and we start winning. And we do this constantly. This is a process we've been doing for a long time. This is the newest casinos, which we actually found out on this Sigma this November in Italy. And this is answering also this answer for all of you who are questioning, why am I always wearing a mask? I answer this question a lot. It is for the security reasons. Of course, when me and my team are on events like this, I'm not wearing a mask. So imagine if game developers knew who is purchasing their technology and casino owners know exactly who is playing in their casinos. Will they be happy about it? No, they will not. So if you want to see a person with no mask, soon you have this opportunity. It will be my partner, German. German is a programmer. And as we are developing an artificial intelligence, which will not be only focused on casinos, but it will be global. It will help you with lots and lots of stuff. As we present it, German will be there. You will see him and you can ask him the questions. There will be no masks. So for now, let's win some money. One moment. Before we played some games with no intuition connected. We can play another one, but the result will be same. Sometimes winning, sometimes losing. Let me show you. The A intuition bot. For those of you new to streams like this is a Telegram interface, and our bot is connected to Telegram interface via AI agent. The information is then further proceeded to our servers where the A intuition artificial intelligence rests. This is a user-friendly interface. So you can chat to it like to the normal AI agent. First of all, I click start. And click on the AI assistant. As of the first meeting, lots of you started texting our bot in Telegram. That's why we created a security check. An additional check where you must know a 10-digit code to actually work with the bot. So the bot is not yet ready for the public use. And there is information on our website that we will start selling packages for using the bot in September 2026 with a starting price of $50 per month. It will be starting price. And I discussed it thoroughly on the previous Zoom meeting. You can check the recording of previous meeting for more information. Sorry. So the code that I will type in, it's unique and it is a one-time code. You cannot use the same code to access the bot. After I use it, the code is expired. It's a one-time use only. So please do not try to use our bot yet. You simply cannot. As the bot recognizes that the code is correct, it will open the access for me to the A intuition technology. So many of you who are trying the codes right every casino has number in our list. We have dozens of casinos. So to play with the intuition bot, you need to enter a number, a casino number. And as you don't know which casinos to play, even if you guess somehow the current 10-digit code correctly, you will not be able to play. So this new casino that we implemented is the casino number 8. And then the bot automatically to this exact casino. And you see as it analyzes all the games up here, it says me that the hot screen right now is named Bass Fun Christmas game. It's okay, let's find the game. So I guess many people play Christmas games right now, so that's why the game has a lot of money in it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, here it is, Christmas Big Bass Bonanza. So you have to enter the exact game the intuition artificial intelligence is telling. And before you start playing the game, you have to tell a intuition that you are in, and it will give you the exact instructions of which bets to place. If you buy free spins, for example, it's here, you can buy free spins. The bot tells you exact steps to make to get maximum profit out of this game, because the game is created somewhat secured, and the information from the game is constantly being exchanged with game developer servers, which are no harmful activities happening. And this is where the intuition steps in and trade this, say, data source. So what I'm texting here is just type in. No code required, no nothing. I text in simple words, just like you're talking to ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok, whatever. The bot understands a simple human language. So it gave me instructions. Make 3 spins, $5 each, and then buy a bonus game for a $500. Okay. Got the music. $5. Oops. $5 exactly. Let's play. 1, 2, and 3. Exactly 3 spins. And now I buy a bonus game, which is a free spins game, here for $500. This is actually the games which give the most profit if you buy this free spins games. Of course, it's cost 100 times more than my average spin of $5, and there are 10 free spins, each that it cost me bucks. $340. If I hit 4 of them, I can get another 10 free spins. That will be nice. 4 Santas will bring me another 10 free spins.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Okay, recording is reestablished. Bye. Ten more free spins. That's what I told you before. From just 500, I already made 5 times of that. 2,500. Doubled. I guess that means the winnings are double on the spins. You can tell me, okay, yes, you won some couple thousands on the previous game as well, but there, one bet cost me $100. Remember this one. And here, I just paid 500. Having so many games on a website, what are the chances for you to actually pick one this exact game? Well, of course, there are some chances you can get lucky. This is the casino idea. They give you some money, you feel lucky, and then you lose it all. What we are different from that. We don't need to feel lucky. We know exactly which games to play. Intuition tells us exactly that. So, my total win from the $500 bonus game is $4,110. It is 8 times more than my initial bet. And it took us just how much? Several minutes. It is because we picked the right game at the right time. And there is, for me, very little chance that I pick the game myself before it actually changes. You see, I can pick the game right now. And after half an hour, I came back, I returned, I tried to play the same game, and the game just has no money in it before. And I lose all my winnings trying to get back the profits. So we don't play games here. We don't play luck. It is completely technical, and there is no risks involved. So we type in the bot that we're done. We're done. We did as it says. Let's see what it suggests to do next. So this is very easy for you. You don't need to think at all. You just chat with the bot. The bot gives you clear instructions on what to do. You want to continue? Yes. See. Bot will analyze the game, see if it's still worth to play it, and it will say to us, 2 spins, $3 each. So first of all, we need to adjust our spin size. Spin. This is very important to follow the instructions precisely. 1 and 2. Okay, now I have to adjust this bet size. We have a, you see, $2,000 bonus game. There are some cracks of code. That's why I actually need to do it. We're not, of course, explaining it publicly, how exactly the A intuition is going through the code and through this data flow that is coming from the game and to the developer servers. For you, the main thing is that we actually make profit. And I want to highlight this as in the previous sessions when we were playing a roulette, if some of you were participating in the previous Zoom sessions or saw my recordings, you saw that we were mostly playing roulette. And you saw that there could be losses and even a streaks of losses, like 5, 6 losses in a row. But the main thing is, in the end, we are always in profit. We are, it's not a step away, it's 100 steps away. 100 steps more from every single gambler. We are far ahead because it's not the human brain, it's the artificial intelligence that makes all the decisions for us. Okay, let's start the game. Enough talking. Let's see what a $2,000 bonus game can bring us. Okay, 10 free spins. Here we go. I believe the wins should be bigger because we have 4 times of our previous bet, which was 500. Three spins, $880. Ooh, just like that. We already are in profit. And there are 5 more spins left. For some of you can say, okay, this is a big money, but you also bet big. You risk big. You risk $2,000. But the thing is, we don't risk. The intuition knows exactly how much to play and how much to bet. If I was just messing around, playing the games I want myself or just randomly, yes, this is risk. This is a big risk. Of course, when you purchase the A Intuition subscription in September 2026, you don't have to play on these big sums of money. And you cannot actually play because not every casino allows this huge bet sizing. But you will play on the money you have and you will see for yourself. Sorry. Meanwhile, let's see what our final result will be. Oh, I got extra free spins. I got 10 more free spins again. Oh, that's perfect. This will be big. I didn't even notice that. This will be big. Boom. Now we're talking. Now we're playing. Another 1,000. So yeah, I think it's doubling profits when you get to this zone. I'm not sure. I didn't play this game. Oh, sorry, my microphone went off. I was telling you that not every account can handle this such a big wins. So we start with $500 and we grow it. We lose some money, of course, just in case so the casino has no suspicion. And then when we played enough time, when we figure out the games, crack the code, we can start playing big. Once again, let's tell the artificial intelligence that we're done and see what it suggests. We're done. And with a very nice profit. Yes, let's continue. Let's see if this machine, if this slot game has some money left in it. Three spins, $4 each. And again, it suggests us to buy a bonus game for 2,000. So I think this machine is hot. Oops. I made a $3 spin. Now I have to tell it. Or I made a $20 spin. Let's see if it recalculates our odds and says us with the new instructions. Because I didn't supposed to make a $20 spin. So I don't know if this previous strategy still is valid or there might be new one. So if you accidentally, while working with the bot, did something that the bot was not expecting you to do, you do not continue. You tell to the bot and it will suggest a new solution. So 2 spins, $2 each. Okay, you see there is a new strategy. $2. Of course, for an average man, even a $1 per spin is big money because 10 spins, 10 bucks, 100 spins, 100 bucks. It can be done very easily. One and two. Now, buy a bonus game for 2000. This is actually a max bet. This is a maximum bet on this machine that you can do is you can buy 3 spins for $2,000. This is the max bet. So that's why, of course, we are winning big. You can say, oh yeah, if you can, if you buy a $2,000 bonus game and you win like a $20,000, it's just a 10x. It's not a 100x. It's not a jackpot. But that's what we are doing. We are grinding. Of course, if you don't have budgets and you play with a 20 bucks, not 2,000, then your winnings will be much, much less. It will be what it will be. To 20 bucks, it will be $200. But still, it's 10x. Come on. So my point here is to show you we are playing big. We're actually making money. Not all the accounts that we're using, of course, have a opportunity to make such a big bets. But on these Zoom meetings, while showing you specifically, I want to show you, of course, big wins, not like we're winning a couple hundreds of bucks or a couple thousands per day, which our manager, our normal manager actually is doing per day. They are not winning hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars. We play on average accounts, winning hundreds or few thousands of dollars per day. For these meetings, I personally prefer to use the big accounts. We have few of them, and I showed you on the previous 2 meetings another casino, which were also big, tested, clear, fast withdrawals, never had any problems. And this is the new one that we also tested, and so far it's working perfectly. Meanwhile, we have 3 spins left. We are already in the black. Yes, we are getting profit already. $1,000 in profit. And do I get another 10 more spins? Let's see. 10 more spins? No, not this time. So I won almost $4,000, almost doubled my initial investment. It's not as big, but it's still a profit. This is the main thing. With A intuition, we are always in profit. And you saw we started this day with $10,000. Right now we are at 30. Let it run. Somewhere between $35,000 and $40,000. So which suggests us to make one spin at $4 and then buy a bonus game again for $2,000. Of course, when you purchase the subscription and you have the bot set up for you, you won't have sums like this. I mean, come on, if the bot tells you to buy a bonus game for $2,000 and you don't have $2,000, it's a big sum of money. So of course, the bot is adjusted for every player depending on their budget and their subscription fee. So this code that roller code, the bot knows that it's a high stakes that we are going to play, and it adjusts depending on the situation. When you will be playing, there, of course, if you don't have the budgets like this, there will be sums will be much, much less. You don't have to worry about it. Like the bot says you to buy $2,000 bonus game. No, this will be sums everyone can afford. Everyone can pick up a subscription based on their budgets. So one spin, $4. Done. $1,000 bonus game. Then 3 spins. This is something that we have gathered this knowledge over time. We understood that the bonus games actually pay out more than the regular spins. That's why the bot is always suggesting us to buy the bonus games. As some of you who watched our previous Zoom, on previous Zoom, I made around, how much was it actually? $70,000? Probably even more than 100. Don't remember exactly. It was a long time ago. Couldn't make the Zoom last Friday for my own reasons. That's why we're doing it now. But hopefully we will have another demonstration this Friday. So stay tuned for updates. I very much hope that we will have another Zoom meeting this Friday where I will be playing casino and showing you how we earn in real time. Okay, this one didn't give much. It's 2,400, but still we are in the plus. We did not lose. I think this game is getting dried out. the system, some other game started. And we made 2 spins. $5 each. But as we're still winning, I think this is the most profitable game at the moment in this casino. Yeah, we don't win making like this random spins, as you noticed. The winnings are coming from the bonus games. This is the key. So now the bonus game for 1800. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Animation. On these bonus games, I think there are more Santas or similar pictures. That's why it's getting more profit than the regular spins. $1,000 more. I'm break even already. If it hits this one, this is where the big wins come from. When it continues to getting us more and more and more free spins. It's getting better. 4.5 already. Already better than the previous one. Will it get us 10 more free spins? Yes. You see, 10 more free spins. This is big. I think they will be double. The money will be double. See this? X2, extra 3 spins. Oh, there will be double of Santas. Okay. Double of Santas means more possibility to win. And the wins just keep coming. Are we getting another Santa? Okay. Are we getting another one? Okay. One more, and we will have 10 more free spins with a multiplier by 3. There are 3 spins left. Will it be? Yes, 10 more free spins. All right. This will be big. Now, this will be big. Now we're talking. Now we'll make some real money. Of course, if a $27,000 is not big money enough. And Santas are multiplied by 3. Perfect. This is big win. This is big. Might actually be the biggest one so far. I never saw this 10 free spins multiplied by 3. I didn't play this game much. Of course, as I told you before, it's the first time I actually play this game, but I mean, in general, we don't have wins like that very often. We had on previous wins some big, juicy sums, but hope this one will be one of them. Another sum. I think we will get this all lined up to here because there are so many Santas. More Santas. Oh, just one spin left. I don't think we'll make the full one. No, we will not. But still an impressive result. This is an impressive result. And it's all because of our technology, intuition. So you see, this actually works. Who else is showing you, like, in the real time, how their technology is working? Show us. Show us who's doing the same thing. I'm getting very excited. It will be more than $50,000 right now on this one game. This is awesome. But I want to make more. I want to show you guys some serious profit today. 3 spins, $3 each, and a bonus game for 2,000. Okay. One. That's nice. 60 times the initial. That's 2. Big win. And another 20x win. So the balance is already more than $62,000. This is just an animation showing if 3 of those appear, it's bonus game trigger. You don't have to buy it. You can just make spins, and at some point, probably the free spins will appear. If some of you played in the casinos before, played the slot machines, you know that from time to time, free spins appear. And this is what is the most profitable thing usually. So in this exact casinos, what we like about it is you can buy the free spins yourself at any time. Okay. Almost at break even. Yes, in the profit. $2,000 was the cost of the game, and we're crushing it. Okay, 10 more free spins. Let's go. with the double Santas. Not every spin wins, of course. And I think there will be no more free spins with this bonus game. But still a nice profit. It's well, 3.5 times what we initially invested, $2,000. Let's see if this game still has any money in it. What is it? 55. What is this? What kind of bug? Okay. Let's see again. It's Christmas. Okay. Probably some kind of bug. Two spins, $8 each. And now a bonus game for $2,000. Some music. Collected already 3 Santas. So I think we're close to getting 10 more free spins with this one. Well, we're already in a profit. Oh yes, 10 more free spins. Let's go. I hope we can make 100 today. With double Santas and almost 9,000 in profit. . 12,000 in profit. That's 6 times the initial investment, which was 2,000. $13 more. Okay, 4 free spins left. Are we getting more free spins? $17,000. And we got additional free spins with the triple sand. Are we going to make it to the end with this game with maximum free spins? And it's all out of the $2,000 initial investment, our initial purchase for the bonus games. $6,000, almost 6,000 in one free spin. And with 7 of them left, I think our chances are actually pretty high to get this done. Another Santa is coming. Okay. See, each of the lines, you have more Santas and more chances to get more free spins. The further you go, the more Santas you have, the more are your chances to hit maximum. Three more thousand. So, with 30,000 already in the winnings, we have passed the mark of $100,000. And we started only with 10,000. This is a big win, $31,000. This is actually a huge win. Okay. Let's see. So I think we drained this game. 4 spins, $5 each. 4 spins, $5 each. Oh, we didn't pass actually the $100 mark yet. Okay, that's 2. Feeling pretty confident about this. I think we will hit a $100 mark with this bonus game. I really do hope so. 5 spins left. We are not in the black yet. We are not in the profit yet. But I'm feeling that we're getting there. 1500. And just 2 free spins left. And the 1 spin left. 0 spins. Let's see. Yes, we are in the profit. We are still in the profit. It looked back. It looked bad on the way there, but we are still in the red. See, $400 in profit. We have not lost any single bonus game we played. Every single bonus game, we end up in profit. It might be small, might be big, but always in profit. I want to hit this $100 mark today. I'm pretty much sure we can do it. It's time to stop. The casino is not safe to play in. Please stop. Unfortunately, the algorithms of our intuition bot suspect some activity from casino security or game developers have found something. It happens all the time. It just means that for now we need to stop, we need to rest. We don't play in this casino. Maybe we come back to play some random games, to lose some, so that the casino has no more suspicion. And then we can start all over again. As you can see, we cannot play games in the casino all day long, 24/7. Not with these stakes, not high stakes. So, as we're done playing for today, with a total profit of $98,448, of course, minus the initial $10,000, it's still a very decent profit. And I hope you enjoyed today's stream. We will hopefully have one more stream on Friday when hopefully we'll pass a 100K mark. And once again, I'm openly showing you how exactly our system works. You can see it with your own eyes in the real time. It's not pre-recorded, it's the real time in a Zoom meeting in a real casino. So yes, thank you for your attention. I'm scrolling the chat right now. Hello from Australia. Yes. And someone says, I want that mask. You can look for the masks like this. You can check it. But for now, from my side, we're done. Thank you for your attention. And I hope to see you guys on Friday for another very exciting stream where we'll be playing a casino. Goodbye and see you. Intuition is the best.